Hello, everyone. My name is Reese Chuddy, and I am the co-founder of Lacoona, and we are Africa's first end-to-end robo-legal advisor, utilizing AI from understanding through remediation to support the right to justice. At a glance, and here at Lacoona, we are simplifying legal and regulatory process to ensure compliance and unlock opportunities. Using AI, we empower SMEs, employees, and startup ecosystems through affordable and consistent tools, on-demand access, and understood communication, as well as access to legal professionals. We understand the industry-level pains that our users face, namely the expensive barriers to entry on legal services, as well as the limited and centralized access to knowledge in the sector. We understand the understanding of legalese and legal language is a barrier to entry for many businesses. And finally, the nature of the systems that businesses are required to understand to operate in a compliant way. According to SME South Africa, 78% of startups interviewed within the nationwide survey indicated they required assistance in understanding the law and regulation, with a further 61% stating that they required business knowledge support. Extending on from this, 53% of SMEs interviewed believed that formal legal management and compliance were unattainable or did not understand what the needs were to be done to achieve legal management. And this is where we come in. Using AI to understand user queries, we deliver bots that provide simple step-by-step guidance to legal processes, using low data and enabling multifaceted access. We provide a SaaS solution that accelerates access to legal regulation, management, and ongoing compliance to help SMEs and ecosystems ensure company formalization and management, corporate governance supporting, and employee management. The solutions framework utilizes data analytics, document automation, natural language processing, and decision-based bots to deliver the tool. Additionally, we have a community of legal practitioners who provide pro bono and fixed price support, empowering individuals through immediate access and remedy. We guide our users through the following journey. Through chatbot-driven communication, we build an understanding and analyze user needs via NLP and classification, after which we suggest a solution for them to walk through and process mapping to guide them through this journey. Within this journey, we collect data points and information via our conversation with the users to automatically draft, populate, and submit documents as per their scenario needs. Finally, we use all of this information to connect our users to warm body support, which are a group of trained legal professionals and paralegals. As a note to extend on this, we are currently working on a generative pre-trained transformer language model to aid user input interpretation, as well as the delivery of complex content. We take this application of our tools and create offerings to help reach our users' pain points. For SMEs, we offer automated step-by-step guidance towards business formalization, legal compliance, and corporate governance. We also further automate their document drafting based on the gathered conversation data, as per just said. We also store these documents securely and add it to a business data room to help further investments later down the line. Step-by-step knowledge and structural guidance on corporate governance, employee management, and supplier management are also part of our offerings. We extend this by proactively prompting legal and compliance health checks and risk assessments with recommended outputs. We extend our offerings to ecosystems. We offer all of these tools via a cohort supporting structure, allowing organizations to facilitate the growth of SMEs. Our solution facilitates reporting structures that allow ecosystems to have oversight on their impact and engage with their supported SMEs, as well as health assessments to understand their progress. We've also created systems that allow ecosystem owners to gain super user privileges to help manage the businesses that they are supporting. We currently have over more than 40 SMEs that have utilized our solution and more than 120 pre-signups. We have an array of ecosystems and organizations that we are partnered with to offer our service to as many in-need SMEs as possible. Our team and our leadership particularly combines 30 years of legal authority and experience, 6 years of software development, and 10 years of impact-driven business building. Most notably of these includes our head of legal, Colleen Channels, who authored the South Africa's Paralegal Manual. In closing, thank you for your time, and I hope you can see value and potential impact in what we're building.